Generating a song using Voicemod's Text-To-Song feature. Start by navigating to the Voicemod's Text-To-Song platform, or simply search for Voicemod's Text-To-Song in any search engine. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll see an option to generate song for free. Click on that, and it will lead you to the song creation platform. Now you'll need to select the genre or type of song that matches your preference. There are various options available, from pop and rock to classical and electronic, and many more in between. If you're unsure, take some time to explore. Each option has a play button. Use this feature to sample the songs and select the best fit for your desired melody. Having chosen the genre, it's now time to select the voice. The service provides a variety of personalities, each offering a distinctly unique vocal type. Much like the song type, each voice also has a play button for you to preview and see which voice sings your lyrics in the way that you prefer. After finalizing the song type and voice, the next critical step involves inputting your lyrics. You need to type in or copy-paste the text into the given field. Remember, these words will form your song's lyrics, so create them thoughtfully to convey the message or mood that you wish to express in your song. Once you're satisfied with the lyrics, click on the Create Song button. The platform will then proceed to convert the submitted text into a song using your chosen song type and voice. After a short while, your song should be ready for you to listen to, share, or even download.